In this video, let's look at how to create plots in Python. So we are using the Spider IDE to create the code. So let's get started. We'll first import NumPy to create a set of numbers. So let's say x equal to numpy.linspace. So linspace generates numbers between 0 and 100, and let's say we need 100 points as well. Okay, and then I'll create a calculated variable y equal to np.sign of x. So it's going to take sign of x, 2 times np.py times x. Okay, notice that I have to have this np because by default Python does not understand what is pi or sign. Okay, these are actually found inside the NumPy package. So I have to run this NumPy package and then say np.py, and now it knows what the value is. Okay, so let's run this code, and you'll see in the variable explorer. Let me clear my screen and my variables. Okay, so if I run this code again, okay, there you have it. We have an x value and a y value. They're both arrays with a size 100. So x is this and y is this. Now let's try to plot it. So to plot it, we need the Matplotlib library. So import matplotlib.pyplot from it as plt. Okay, this is a standard that many of the people follow. And then you just have to say plt.plot and then x comma y. Okay, so let's do that. Run this command and then plot it. Okay, and the plots should show up in the plots tab over here. So click on it and there's your plot. Okay, if you would like to add x labels and y labels, the easiest way to do that is plt.xlabel, and this is the time vector, in, let's say seconds, and plt.ylabel is, let's say, some signal or data. Okay, it can be in like voltages, for example. So if you run this, you will get the whole thing. There you go. Okay, now let's say you want to add another plot to this, so you can just say np dot, let's do cosine this time, 2 times np.py times x, and then plt.plot x comma z. So let me run this, and you have the second plot now. Okay, to differentiate it, you need to add a legend. So before you can add a legend, make sure you label your data. So whenever here, for example, I plotted x and y, so I would label this as label, and this will be sine, and this will be labeled as cosine, and at the end I just have to say legend. I just have to use the method legend. Okay, if you run this now, you can see it adds a sine, cosine, a legend at the bottom left. Okay, so this is just the basics of how to do plots in Python using the Matplotlib library. That's it. Hope this helps.